Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial, y'all. Excuse my nail, I'm sorry if y'all see, because I talk with my hand. So this is going to be featuring MegaLook hair. Don't forget to go check them out in the description right below, y'all, because they got some bomb hair. But the only thing is, if you get like straight, very straight, it flipped really good, y'all. The flip actually stayed. I'm surprised that it stayed. Y'all ever seen baby doll hair? Like real straight. That's what it's giving me. It's giving me baby doll vibes. So if you want that sleek, straight look, you want to do curls and stuff like that, do body wave. I'm gonna jam these two ponytails. This is so cute. Never seen anybody do it.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing.
Before starting the process of applying MegaLook's hair, what you want to do is part your hair in 3 sections. Horizontally, you want to take 2 sections to apply the hair, which is 2 ponytails. It's going to be at the top and then 1 in the back. And then you want to section it off into the front to 2 pieces so that you can have the 2-sided bang. After you did your 3 sections, what you want to do is you want to place a clip on the 2-sided bang area in the front so that it can be out the way. And then you want to take some braided hair to braid 2 ponytails on the ones you parted horizontally so that you can attach MegaLook's hair. So as you see my mom is doing now, this is the part where you start to wrap the hair around. But first you want to take a needle and thread, and you want to thread the first stitch of weave, and you want to put it on the braided hair, and you want to roll it up until you get to certain parts and stitch them so that the hair will be secure. Same as she's doing for the bottom, she's going to do the same thing for the top of the ponytail. Putting those last touches, she's going to take a piece of hair starting from the bottom and going right. She's going to roll it around and also spritz it so that it will not come apart to basically cover up the tracks on that ponytail. Yes, y'all, my hair is very short, so those dolls that want this look definitely can achieve it. So don't come for me, bitches. Okay? At all. Period. No. So my mom, what she's doing is showing you that she's going to take 2 tracks from MegaLook's hair and she's going to glue them together before she applies it on in between my hair. And that is just so that it can have that thickness to it, because like I said, once again, this hair isn't all that thick. And she's going to basically face frame it as well. And this is the outcome. That's so cute. It's so cute straight, y'all. It's really cute straight. One day I'm gonna cut my hair, but until then I'm not, because I really want weave in my hair. You know, I just love weave. Girl, what? Oh, girl, get out your mouth. Look at me, I'm biting my nails. See, that's why I got booty diggers now. Anyways, okay, so what my mom is doing is she's basically curling the hair. So this is how you get that flip. That's that old school flip, y'all. If y'all don't know about that, I used to wear this back in the day. But they just bring it. They always revamping something. They always bringing out new looks. But they actually are old because they from back in the day. So she's just taking this Babyliss curling out. I don't know what inch this is. And she's just basically flipping the curl going that way. But after this hairstyle, it's totally up to you what you want to make it. Like, you want to leave it straight, you want to curl it, you want to throw some body waves in it. It's just all up to you. But this is how she does it, and it's so easy. I love the simplest ponytail. Just call me the ponytail girl and the cut crease girl, because my mama be slaying the ponytails, and the ponytails look so simple and classy. Like, period. I will always wear ponytails. What? No. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to go check out MegaLook in the description right below. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to go check out MegaLook in the description right below for all the details on in this hair. I'll see you guys on the next video.